Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Dasher account or your Dasher Direct account, basically. So it's really easy and simple to do. First things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open the Dasher Direct app on your device and it just log into your account. And once you're logged in, guys, I need you to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access the app's settings. So in the settings menu, what I need you to do, guys, I need you to, scroll down and find the support or help section. You just tap on it and you'll be redirected, you know, to a list of common issues and help topics. So you want to basically be looking for an option that is labeled as account deletion or close account. And if you can't find this option, guys, what you need to do is you need to contact customer support directly. To do this, you just want to select the contact us button. And once in the contact section, guys, I need you to explain that you want to delete your Dash Direct account. And be sure, guys, to include your account details, okay, to help the support team process your request. And, Dasher Direct Support will basically guide you through the process. And in most cases, your account will be deleted after a verification process, which can actually take a few days, guys. And that's it, guys. You have now learned how to delete your Dasher Direct account. If you found this video helpful, guys, make sure you smash the like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified the next time we upload here on Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you guys in the